More perspective. Ooh, man, we are getting close to stuff. Look at that. I've never been this close to these rocks. It's been great. All right. There it is. Woo! We're coming home. We're coming home. All right, let's just bring her home. We don't want to get below this hill. No, 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 no. Okay, Dad Random here. I've been using this filming spot here at my mom's house for my introductions, and it's a really gorgeous spot. So what I wanted to try to do is I wanted to try to fly the Avata 2 up there, get a little bit of a film sample. And we're in pretty high light, so we're almost getting to 11 o'clock. So it's getting hot. So I want to get up there quick, get back so I don't get bugged. There's lots of bugs too. So, all right, let's go. Let's fly. Let's go fly the Avata 2. We're all hooked up. Everything seems to be good. Let me check my goggles. Oh my gosh, it's going to be a beautiful flight. So here we go. Here we go. This is Kanab, Utah. We love Kanab. It is beautiful. And yes, flying in the goggles is going to help us. And we're going to turn our defog on. And we'll go back here. All right, let's fly. All right, to get my controller. I'm kind of excited, kind of amped up for this flight. All right, so we're going to definitely fly in manual. And it should be an interesting flight getting up there. So we're going to go up over these houses. Wow, we're flying pretty fast. If I screw up my, if I screw up, because I don't think I put it in EIS, so we're going to let Rocksteady take care of the electronic. Wow, we've got there pretty quick. Much quicker than I thought. So, but we're going to burn a lot of energy getting up the hill, and there is a breeze up there. And I've never flown an FPV up to the top of this hill, so that's why it's cool. There's our flag. Yay! The Old Glory needs to be fixed. If you noticed, my introduction is using this spot, and I wanted to get some FPV footage flying up here and see what the Avata 2 can do from this vantage point. I should be good. We should get lots of really good signal. We're high, and there's just tons of clear area, so we're good. I just got to make sure I maintain my. Ooh, we got some birds up here, so hopefully we don't get a. Here we go. We're up top. All right. And we just don't want to get into shadows. Look at that. It is so pretty up here. Let's spin around. Let's do a circle so you can see where we're at. And yeah, the Avata 2 is doing really good up here. I've noticed a lot of people trying to do these types of, like, this would be like a 7-inch drone shots. You know, this is what you'd fly a 7-inch, you know, doing. So I got to make sure I keep my direction. That's the big thing. But in manual, remember, if we lose connection, it should go into a return. So, but remember, I took the Mini 4 up here, and we're going to be much faster than the Mini 4 footage. I had no problem with the Mini 4 up here. We were able to do a really good job all the way to the end of this strip. And we've got just nice clear, oh, but it is breezy up there. So you'll notice that we're going to be fighting a little bit of fighting the breeze. Yeah, so we don't want to get behind anything. And we want to take advantage of the light. You can definitely see that this side is a little bit more overexposed. So we're going to fly this little ridge on the front side. And hopefully we get some breeze that pushes us up a little bit. Use the wind currents. Now there's a big old bird of prey out there, so I got to be careful that I don't get in his way, because he will not like me. Because birds of prey look at me as being a competitor, and then there's lots of little ones too. But much different type of flying. We definitely are getting, you know, a lot more perspective. Ooh, man, we are getting close to stuff. Look at that. I've never been this close to these rocks. Never been that close. And fly in the front. And we are really doing some, I don't know if we're doing a disservice to this spot. But this is definitely a GPS drone area, but the lighting is not perfect right now too. That's another issue, is as we drop down here, you know, we're dropping past the rocks. That's the perspective that we want to get. I think that's enough for today, huh? Now we don't want to get behind this hill. That's the perfect spot. That's why the H is so important. And we want to take advantage of all of this pretty amazing scenery here. And there's our flag, there's our drop. Whoa! Oh, we do not want to lose. Oh, we're only 57%, guys. That's probably one of the reasons why the Avata 2 is superior to the Avata 1, because we're heading all the way back up. Now the wind's kicking in, isn't it? I don't even know if we can go back up there. We can try to get back up there, then head back down. We're not very far away. There we go, back up. Oh, and we're heading back down. Sitting up in the breeze. Heading down the ridge. And I believe the wind is pushing us home. So that is one of the reasons why we're picking up speed so quickly coming this way. Let's get up there. Let's not play around with the altitude too much. But connection's been great. All right. There it is. Woo! We're coming home. We're coming home. All right, let's just bring her home. We don't want to get below this hill. No, 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 no. We're punching up over it. Whew, that was close. That was close. We do not want to punch. We do not want to get below the hill. Oh, my Lord. There we go. We're good now. But that's the one fear that you have to have with this baby, is you can't get below obstacles. You've got to, especially when you've got that much wind. Holy crap, the wind was just really moving us. So you could feel it, the speed that we were able to achieve. All right. Now, whew, man, like I said, you get up in that wind, man, and it just moves you. Man, and you know what? We are in the 30% tile of the battery, and you know when we were at 30%, what happens? All right, let's drop it right here. Oh, right next to my leg. Yes. Pretty nice flight. Let's get out of here. We're getting attacked by bugs. All right, for the Avata 2, on a scale of 1 to 10, that is a 9. That is a 9 flight. That is definitely a 9. That is not easy. Especially when you get around like 50%, you've got to come home. I was actually really struggling to come home. I was getting too low, and the transmission system really helped. Meaning that because this transmission system has such good range and penetration, it really helped me get myself out of that really kind of scary spot. So, all right, Vata 2, man, that was really cool. Up on top of the mesa. All right, enjoy, guys. That was a lot of fun. A little bit nerve-wracking, but it was fun. That's why I love to come out here to Kanab, because Kanab is awesome. Yes. And yeah, there we go. There's our beautiful spot. Later. Bye. There's bugs out, a lot of gnats, and I'm afraid that I'm going to get bit. They're very nasty right now.